This capacitor has voltage. That means fuse, bridge rectifier, this side is clear. We need to check the next section. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. 150 watt 24 volt regulated LED power supply, not turning on, no output power. Let's see what's wrong here and how to fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. Always take care for the safety. I will apply power using series lamp. It is CLM brand, CLM TN101. Line neutral ground. I will apply power using series lamp and we will see the lamp condition. No indication on lamp. DC output. No output voltage. Input 235 volt. Let's open it. We will not touch any component until we verify voltage on its smoothing capacitors. That is this capacitor. DC voltage. Still the capacitor is charged. I will discharge it. Now it is safe. This capacitor has voltage. That means fuse, bridge rectifier, this side is clear. We need to check the next section. First we will inspect it. PFC controller. Yes. 6599 resonant controller is damaged. This side VCC, this capacitor. That means problem in this section, this line. Pin number 12 VCC and this pin ground. That means its internal regulator is damaged. So visible damage, no need to check it. I will remove it now. diode, yes, it is in parallel. It is in parallel to the resistor, so that is reason it was giving double side reading. VCC rectifier good. Okay, this diode open circuit. This diode damaged. Good. Yes, this transistor is damaged. This one. It is not good reading. Yes, it is short circuit. Yes, it is not good reading. Yes, good, good, good. It is Schottky rectifier. Let's check it now. The output is now 24 volt. Now after replacing one diode, one transistor, one IC, this LED power supply is working good. Restored to working condition. Now voltage are regulated. 24 volt are regulated now. The power supply is now in good working condition. We have regulated 24 volt. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.